Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to share with you the tips, of how I successfully grew my YouTube channel from over 200 subscribers to 8,000 subscribers. So my channel has been dormant for quite some time, and I came back to start creating content again for my channel in November 2023, and it was quite a difficult one because I was I was questioning myself if actually the channel would pick up again after such a long time of leaving it dormant and not creating content, not uploading videos on the channel. So I want to share with you some of the things that I did differently that helped my channel to grow, and that gave me good visibility. Although there was a time, there was a point where the channel stopped getting views and reactions. I will tell you that's normal for most channels, as upcoming content creators. Not all the time does your video get to do well. Some videos get tend to do better than the others, while some will not do well. So don't be discouraged. There are times like that, but I tell you one thing: YouTube keeps looking out for channels that are consistent even with low visibility, and they just want you to be consistent. If you keep being consistent, you will definitely see your channel doing better. So when I started my channel back in 2023 November, I shared a video. You can check the description link for how I strategized on how my content would do well. I had to go back, and I thought about what will I do different that would give my channel good visibility. Then I made a plan of the things I was going to do on how I was going to actually kickstart my channel. Then I made a list of videos I would create that I would upload on my channel, and then I decided to niche down my channel. I went into creating food content for my channel because this is something I do almost every day. I cook every day. I love to cook. I love to create things. I love to try out new recipes. I love to explore. I am that kind of person. So why not food content? This is something I would definitely do better in. So you have to look out for something that you can do well in, and when you look out for that, I think that's a great starting point for you to start building your channel again, or for you to go ahead in creating that channel. So I looked out for something I was good in. I love to create food content a lot. I make different dishes, and then these dishes, they're just things that every person can create in their kitchen, not so exotic, something budget friendly, coupled with the environment I found myself in. I needed to do something that, something that I can easily handle, something that is at my disposal at all times, and that was the perfect idea. Then I created a list of videos that I would start up with, as someone that's creating content again newly. You also have to consider your finance. You don't want to go into creating luxuries when you know you cannot afford that luxury. So I said to, I wrote down things that I was going to create, videos that I was going to make for a start. And then, it was close to Christmas. Then why not try something? I decided to try something different from the usual, making out, creating 25 recipes for Christmas. Although I wasn't so consistent till the very end, but I tell you, that was a very great start for me to kickstart my channel back. And I tell you, it was amazing. And YouTube kept recommending most of my videos, and the videos were actually doing so well because the Christmas season was upon us. Christmas was around the corner, and most people would like to create things for their families when they come back for the holidays. So this was just an opportunity for me, and I used that opportunity. I created videos, and then I kept showing up every day, guys, like every day. I think I did that for about, that was 14 days or so, and then I couldn't keep up because I work in the hospital, and there was no more time for me to create my videos. Although I said later on again, start creating again, and I think YouTube also recognized that and kept posting my video. So the period that I wasn't, showing up, I had low visibility, my views were not as I wanted it to be, and I didn't get discouraged though, because every channel would face one or two setbacks at a point in time, but I kept showing up regardless. I kept creating the videos and I kept posting when I came back again after a few days, because of the kind of work I was doing. So one thing again I utilized was shorts. I tried to upload shorts of the video that I have created, and it actually helped my subscribers to grow, actually helped my videos grow. It gave me good visibility too. I had almost 100,000 views in less than 4 weeks of me showing up again on YouTube. I grew to almost 1,000 subscribers on YouTube too, and that was a very good start for me. When you keep showing up like this and you create good quality videos. Actually, for my thumbnail, that was just something that I didn't work on. Okay, I realized that I started my content before I came back again. When I was creating my content, I used thumbnail, but those thumbnails didn't give my videos good visibility, so I stopped using thumbnails. So what I actually did was I would just pick a good scene from my video that I love so much, a good intrinsic moment from that video, and I would use that as thumbnail. And I tell you, that was also a good jumpstart for me too. I didn't have to create thumbnails like every other person did, so you don't really have to go too much. Actually, YouTube recognizes what you do, your captions, your titles, and your descriptions. Okay, so those were the things I worked on, not actually my thumbnail, and that was how I grew my channel. So I will be sharing more tips on how to grow your videos and how to grow your channel. Although my channel is a small channel, I'm just sharing tips that helped me grow my channel, and I hope those tips also help you grow your channel too. So if you actually want to learn more of those tips, and you love the content that I'm creating as a small channel, please do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Tell me where you're watching me from and what you think about this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.